This is the Guildhall in Exeter, which has a shopping centre behind it. They're playing really annoying music in there. This is the Guildhall shopping centre in Exeter. This is Marks and Spencer, which has a rubbish lift. To its credit, this lift is the first lift I have been in with 4 sets of buttons. What does this stand for? 5. Like this. The buttons here, this one, and this one. There are 5 sets of buttons in this lift. First lift I've ever been in with 5 sets of buttons. I think it might be a third. This passageway connects Marks and Spencer to the car park and this arcade area. And look what they have here, a broken lift. It's a generic, and it's like the rubbish generic lifts that I found in Germany, and it's broken, which I'm not surprised about. Let's go down in this lift. This looks like it replaced an older car operating panel. It's an Otis Gen 2. This is it's a lift that's been modernised into an Otis 2000. And it looks like an older, Otis, horribly modernised by Otis. Look, somebody's flying the Greek flag upside down. Yeah. They're flying the Greek. It's upside down. Now the lifts in the middle of the shopping centre. I think these lifts are also Otis's, probably modernised by Otis. Yes. This appears to be another 70s or 60s Otis that has been horribly modernised by Otis. That's where the original indicator would have been. This is the car park. See where the lifts are. There is the Harlequin Centre. I'm not really expecting any good there because it looks really cheaply built. This looks like the protruding brick tower is a motor room, but the white door is the only door, and there are no signs of preparation for another door. Rather strange. Oh, come on, Harlequin Centre. When a shopping centre has a platform lift as its main lift, you know it's really cheaply built. And this is the a walkway leading to the overflow car park. That church looks architecturally very nice. And there's this bridge, which is one of the ways in and out of the town centre car park. So like this town centre has restricted access routes for cars. Let's go in the Mary Archer Street car park and see what lifts they have there. It's an overflow car park, so I'm hoping they won't have modernised the lifts. Original lift alarms. Let's see what lift it is. Out of order. Oh. Looks like a Benny. And sadly, the other one's also out of order. Looks like it's been modernised. Maybe with less controls.